it's me, Melody, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get this faux wash and go look. Now, y'all going to be like, girl, this ain't nothing but a braid out, but the reason why I call it a faux wash and go is because by the end of the day, I have results like these, which really resemble my old wash and go. So to start out, I'm going to part my hair down the middle. Just make a middle part in order to get ready to start the braiding. Next, I'm going to take this Shea Moisture Extra Moisturizing Transitioning Milk and put that all over the entire section. Now I'm just going to take my comb and start parting for the braids. So on this half of my head, I'm going to have 3 braids. So I'm doing the part right here so that I can have 3 even braids as best as I can get it to be even. Now before I start braiding, I'm going to go in with the Curls Blueberry Bisque Twist and Shout Cream and just apply that to the entire section to help hold my braid out. And finally, I'm going in with the Camille Rose OUD Rich Infusion Hair Oil just to seal in all the moisture. And now I'm just going to start the braiding process. I tried so hard to think of how to describe and teach someone how to braid, and I just couldn't get with it. So you can YouTube, there's plenty of tutorials with step-by-steps on how to cornrow, but that's all I'm doing is your regular cornrow braid. As I'm nearing the end of the braid, you'll see me add a little bit of water and a little bit more Twist and Shout Cream, and then I am going to leave the little bit out at the end and roll it up with this satin lined roller that I got from my local beauty supply store. Then I'm just going to repeat the same process, split my section in half as best as possible so I can get even braids and do it all over again. So I ended up filming the rest of it off camera, but in the end you should end up with 6 braids with 6 rollers. And then I like to go in with this Cantu Shea Butter Tea Tree and Jojoba hair and scalp oil and put that on the parts just to help with any dry scalp that I've been having, because I have been having a dry scalp issue. And then last but not least, I'm just putting the scarf on and heading to bed. So it's the next morning and I am taking down my braids. I'm just going to unroll the rollers from all of the braids, and then I am going to start taking the braids out one by one. I did forget to mention that I put some of that Camille Rose oil on my fingers. Well, I forgot to, but then I did for the second braid, just to add some shine to the braids when I take them out. So I am going to just finish taking out the rest of these braids and do my edges off camera. And if you want to see how I do my edges, feel free to click the video in the corner. I do like to fluff it a little bit, but I don't like to fluff this too much, just because throughout the day the definition does start to fade, and that's why it looks less like a braid out and more like my old wash and go. So I do like to fluff it, but I don't fluff it too much just because I'm going to lose the definition since my hair is heat damaged. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.